I want to share with you this prayer. This is an Ayurvedic healing prayer, a prayer to the celestial healer, awakening that cosmic intelligence, that infinite intelligence of all of life that exists inside of each and every one of our cells, awakening us to greater health, harmony, vitality, strength, and aliveness. This is the Dhanvantari prayer. Om Shankam Chakram Jalahokam Dhararam Ritagatam Charu Dorbish Chaturbihi Sukshma Svachati Hridyam Shuka Parivilasan Maulim Ambojanetram Galam Borojvalangam Katitata Vilasakcharupitam Baradyam Vande Dhanvantarim Tam Nikila Gadavana Prauda Davagni Lilam. Namaste.